on all fours. We're going to do cat and cow.
How exciting.
It's very exciting. So this is quite a nice adjustment. It is exciting because we can use our hands in different ways. We don't always have to be pushing on someone to move them deeper. We can also get them to come towards us. All right. So Catherine's going to be doing a bad position here. So we can verbally cue to straighten the arms, push the mat away, check hand positioning, check knees and hips. And what we're going to do moving into our cat, Catherine, I'm going to pop my hand on your upper back. And can you push up into my hand? Push, 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 push. Yes, feel that rounding in your back and the rounding between your shoulder blades. So she's moving up towards me. And then we're going to uncurl to come back to neutral. And then look slightly forwards, lift your chest, arching your back, and we're going to draw your shoulders down your back. So I'm sort of moving the shoulder blades down in the direction that we want to go. And then we're going to go round back into cat stretch, push up into my hand, push, 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 rounding through your back. And then uncurl through your spine, draw your shoulders down your back. And then release.